Hello people, welcome back to the NMR, Newbie Mountain Railroad, episode 19, wow, or is it 20? I have to check that before I put this together. Anyway, today is, well, before I go anywhere, I want to thank all of you who have subscribed. We've gone over 300 subscribers now. That's a milestone. And I still note that 77% of the viewers of this channel are not subscribers. Now, come on, people. I appreciate you watching. I really do. And if you don't want to subscribe, that's fine. Keep watching. But if you would subscribe, it would really help me out, because the people at YouTube, they like to know that people like what I'm doing. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit that little red button down there, I think it is, and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and all it does is it tells YouTube that people like what I'm doing, and come on, it gives me some encouragement that maybe I'm not just wasting my time sitting here talking to the camera. But anyway, so I appreciate that, if you will. And comments, oh, I just love reading the comments, and I appreciate all the good vibes that I'm getting from the comments, and like I say, the international, I never really gave much thought to the fact that there could be people internationally that were interested in what I'm doing here, and that's really good. But anyway, so the last video we started talking about doing roads, and I got the roads all laid out, and I removed the buildings and cut the roads, and we got the roads all ready to put down the surface, which of course is the drywall compound. Here's a video. Well, here we have all the buildings removed, and we've cut out for the roads, and you see the main street, and I actually have all the bridges in place now. I'm gonna make cardboard for these two bridges on the surface of them as well. I haven't done that yet. I think this bridge may need to go down just a little bit in order to I'm not sure exactly how thick the roadway is going to be there, but that looks a little high right now. Maybe not, I don't know. And this bridge is on a little bit of an angle. I thought about just making it flat and then have the hill come up, but I think I like that better. It's it reduces the grade here coming across the bridge, and so I think I'm going to leave that bridge slightly elevated on one end. Over here in the station area, you see the road comes down the hill, and I've got it cut out. Problem, this gets awfully narrow right here. It's down to one lane there, and then I wanted to leave room for platforms and some parking, and then down there, that's going to be a turnaround for the traffic. So we'll see how that works out, but I think it's going to be okay. Now to get around to putting down some drywall compound and get these streets in place, and then we'll be back to maybe getting ready to run some trains. And then after we got them all cut out, we went ahead and we slapped that drywall compound in there, and just a light coat at first, and trying to fill the holes and the gaps, if you will, and we got it all put together. Here's a video of that. First coat of drywall compound is down, at least on the lower levels here. I haven't done up across that bridge back there. Actually, you see the train station sitting over there for right now. I had to get out of my way. But anyway, that area up there, I haven't done the first coat up there and across that bridge, the far bridge there. And the reason for that is basically the hang up in the mountain. I need to figure what the road layout is going to be up in the mountains before I finalize the roads coming down from the mountain. And so there's still some work to be done up there, and I thought, well, I'll just hold off on where that road is going to go up into the mountains until I've got a better plan for how the roads are going to get up in the mountain. And now, the exciting part. While we're waiting for that drywall compound to dry so that we can do sanding and then do more layers of drywall compound before we put the buildings back on, since I didn't have anything to do, I said to myself, self, get back to that track. And so I finished up, I put the track back together there where it had been pulled apart. When I did that redesign, I got that back together, and we were able to start running trains again. So I put together a little video of just some trains running, which I hope you like. I know I sure do. And what you're going to see here is actually I have this little A unit right here. This is a F8 or F9, I think. Is that in focus? I don't know. But anyway, this unit here, if you look real close at the back of it, the coupler's broken off. Remember me talking about wanting to put that fascia up higher than the track there coming out of that tunnel in the mountain? Well, the reason this doesn't have a coupler is because this unit, one of the first times I was running it, came around that curve and right off onto the floor, and it broke that coupler. So the reason I'm showing you this is, first of all, I need to get around to getting that coupler repaired, getting a new coupler on there. I'm not really sure exactly how to do that. I looked online to see if I could buy parts for this. I wasn't able to find it. If anybody's got any idea what to do about that, I'd appreciate a comment. But anyway, until I get this repaired, I've got a B unit that I bought to run with that unit. And the reason being that, because of the grades that I've got, I feel like I'm going to have to do consists. And so I wanted a B unit to run with that A unit. And so now the A unit can't run, but the B unit can. So this video, you'll see that I'm running that little B unit. I want to get it some break-in time anyway, so it's good to just let it run. So I'm letting it run on the main line. And I've got a little switch engine pulling some cars around the inside loop. So we did some train running, and of course I'm just letting trains run, so I'm not really operating, if you will. And so it's a little boring from that aspect, but trains are running. But what I really am looking forward to is when I can get the control panel installed. And to do that, of course, I gotta wire all those turnouts and repair the block sections that I've got busted up and those sorts of things. But anyway, so what I started to say was that I'm looking forward to where I can run trains in both directions on the main line. use the passing sidings and wait for trains to go by and do that kind of stuff. But that's going to take hands-on operating, and you can't just do that and let the trains run like I'm doing here in these videos. But anyway, trains running. Enjoy. Well, that's what we've got for today. I hope you had a good time. I hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. And like I say, if you haven't subscribed, please do that. And thank you all for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for being a part of this ride. And from here on, let's see what's going to happen.